You think guns are deadly? These ancient weapons could be even worse. Number 1.
The Greek fire, a liquid flame that burned even on water. Number 2. The Mongol composite bow, so powerful it could pierce armor from hundreds of meters away.
Number 3. The Roman ballista, launching massive bolts capable of tearing through walls.
Number 4.
The Indian urumi, a whip-like sword that could slice multiple enemies at once.
And 5. The trebuchet, a giant war machine that could level a city. These weapons didn't just kill, they terrified.